If you're tired of wigs, U-parts, V-parts, and tape-ins, then you need to get into these clip-in hair extensions. These can add so much volume and length to your natural hair, and they're so easy to install. Let me show you how.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby, squad up.
I'm not even sure why I stopped wearing clip-in hair extensions, but I have not wore clip-in hair extensions in years, and I was so excited to install these from QVR Hair. If you're interested in seeing how I installed these clip-ins today, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. So I went ahead and I straightened my natural hair. So this is like a little quick natural hair update for you guys. I did trim my hair a bit. I don't straighten my natural hair often, so I feel like my hair always reaches for the moisture in the air because it's already reverting. If you've been following me for a hot minute, I used to wear clip-ins in college, and then I started doing sew-ins and then exploring wigs. So clip-ins is how I started getting into hair extensions. So I'm very excited to install these clip-ins from QVR Hair. This is their 10-piece straight set, which is why I straighten my natural hair. So here are all 10 pieces of the clip-ins. As you can see, the hair is very nice and silky. It feels really great. Each clip-in has these hair clips that you can lock into your own hair. And then here is the other side. It looks very nice and seamless, almost like a tape-in hair extension. I have a little length with my natural hair, but it is very fine. So I like clip-ins whenever I want to wear my natural hair, but I want it to be thicker. It comes with 10 pieces in total. It comes with 2 4 clips, 2 3 clips, 2 5 clips, 2 2 clips. These are the longer 2 clips, and 2 of these shorter 2 clips. So we're gonna start with a 3 clip in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. We've got the first clip-in put in. It's nice and secure. Next, I have my second 3 clip. I'm gonna go ahead and put it just a little bit higher than the last one. And now that's nice and secure as well. Now it's time for the first 5 clip. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure it's lined up really nice. So I'm gonna start on this side and then just push all the clips in. Now I'm gonna do another 5 clip. Now I'm gonna do another 4 clip in the back, just in this back middle area, y'all, because it's not gonna cover all the way around my head. Then I'm gonna put 2 of the smaller 2 pieces in the front here, and I'm gonna do the same on this side. Now we're gonna do the final 4 clip in the back here. And we only have 2 more clips left. I was determined to fit all 10 clips in my head, so we're doing very good. Let's go ahead and part this down the middle. So the last clip I'm gonna put as close as I can up to the top of my head. And these are the longer 2 clips, y'all. Go ahead and comb that down. And then I'm gonna do the same on this side, y'all. So as I mentioned, my hair is a little frizzy because it's not heat trained. So I'm just gonna brush my natural hair into the hair extensions to get it more seamless. I could go back in and straighten it some more, but I don't want to add any more heat in my natural hair. So these clip-ins definitely added a nice length and density to my natural hair. I am loving them. Let me know what you think about this install in the description box down below. If you're interested in checking out these clip-in hair extensions from QVR Hair, then I'm gonna leave a link down below for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. If you haven't already checked out my latest Get Ready With Me video, what are you doing? New Year's Eve is right around the corner. Matter of fact, it's tomorrow. So make sure y'all go ahead and check that look out so you can get ready for the new year.